morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are preparing for your upcoming exams. Learn all the lessons properly and grammar. You can solve worksheets given in your book also. I will also send practice as a revision before exam. So, let us start the new chapter, and its name is Punctuation, chapter 18, Punctuation. What do you mean by punctuation? It means to make the sentence clear and correct also. Na? It means a use of capital letters properly, use of commas, apostrophe, inverted commas, full stop, question mark, exclamation. By the using of these signs, we can make the statements clear, whether it is of question, exclamation, everything. So I will tell you the rules, how to use comma, question marks, full stop, where capitals are used. So if you are not using punctuation in your answers also, your marks will be deducted. Okay. Suppose you are writing name of a boy, Rohit, and you are writing Rohit with small r, so your marks will be deducted. So these small things you have to learn how to write correct statements. Okay. So we use punctuation marks to make the meaning of a sentence clear. So first of all, use of full stop. So question mark and exclamation. Three we use. Full stop when the sentence ends. Simple statement hoga. You write or put a full stop. Question sentence. May I do this? So this is a question. When you are asking question, so your sentence will end at question mark. No full stop. Or sign of exclamation when you express your. I was speaking about exclamatory sentences. Exclamation mark means when you are speaking about a sentences of a sudden expression of sadness or happiness. Oh, we have won the match. Oh, what happened? So this type of expressions we can give exclamation mark. Okay. So अब now compare. First sentence, I like to read books. Simple. You can put full stop. Where are you going? Question mark. What a beautiful dress. So exclamation you can use. So these three signs you are clear. Now we use a comma to separate words or phrases in a sentence after introductory words such as yes, no, well, oh, etc. to separate the name of speaking and listener. Rohit, when we are saying about too many things, so we can separate them with commas. The apple, the bananas, the oranges and watermelon are fruits. So by commas we separate so many things. And yes, put a comma. I will come on Sunday. Sonia, comma, please sit down. So we are separating the sentences through commas. Now apostrophe you know, जैसे हम बोलते हैं ये मेरा है, तो हिंदी में उसके लिए हम apostrophe s कॉमा लगा के ऊपर s लगाते हैं. मीन्स रोहित का, तो उसको इंग्लिश में कहेंगे रोहित्स. रोहित ऊपर कॉमा s, रोहित्स. So this is called apostrophe. So signs are clear to you. Now we can solve some book exercises that will help you in clearing your concept. Add commas at appropriate places in the following sentences and rewrite them. So, yes, my name is Arjun Nadar. So, yes के बाद put a comma, rest is same. Sachin Tendulkar, Roger Federer, Michael and Michael Phelps are great sportsmen. So I earlier told you, when so many names are given, you can put commas and separate them. Okay? So put commas and rewrite. Well, I stay back for another day. So put a comma after will. So it will separate the two sentences. Somesh, can you wait for 5 minutes? So after Somesh, put commas so that the sentence will be clear to you. Antara, Sophia, Leena, Zeba and Tanu are my friends. सो जेबा एंड तनु के लास्ट नेम और इसमें हमने एंड लगा दिया, बाकी सब नेम में आप यू कैन पुट कॉमास. अंतरा कॉमा, सोफिया कॉमा, लीना कॉमा एंड जेबा एंड तना, दो लास्ट की 2 नेम्स में हम एंड लगा देते हैं. ठीक है, रेस्ट में हम कॉमास लगा देते हैं. इंसर्ट पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स एट अप्रोप्रिएट प्लेसेस इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. नॉट सेंटेंसेस इज गिवन, सो आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग उसमें देखना है कि कहाँ पर कॉमा आएगा, कहाँ पर फुल स्टॉप. So first is Sheila is young, energetic. So young and energetic 2 qualities है, तो young के बाद आप कॉमा लगाइए, young, energetic and intelligent. Okay. How beautiful the bride is. Now it is the expression of happiness. So exclamation part sign is come. Would you, तो यहाँ पे कॉमा और would बोल के आप you are separating the sentences. They will, already you know they will का short form होता है, तो you put commas to separate they and double L. So they will invite Pooja, comma, Rohan and Vishal. 2-3 names होंगे, you can put commas. But last के 2 names में end आएगा, no comma. Okay. अब देखो apostrophe, राजीव्स brother. तो आपको राजीव्स एस के बीच में कॉमा लगाना पड़ेगा, राजीव का ब्रदर. ठीक है, फुल स्टॉप. एवरी सेंटेंस शुड बी एंड विथ फुल स्टॉप. एक्सक्लेमेशन का होगा तो एक्सक्लेमेशन पॉइंट साइन, और क्वेश्चन का होगा तो क्वेश्चन मार्क. 3 साइन यू हैव टू यूज इन द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. नाउ कोटेशन मार्क. व्हेन द रूबी इज स्पीकिंग टू समवन, और क्या मैंने बोला एक्चुअल वर्ड्स, दैट विल कम इन कोटेशन मार्क्स. कोटेशन मार्क्स मीन्स 2 commas on the top of the sentence. See, the teacher said. अब टीचर ने क्या कहा वो आपको कॉमा लगा के बताना है. ठीक है, द टीचर सेड कॉमा, और फिर पूरा सेंटेंस में आपको कॉमा लगाना पड़ेगा. गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन. सो व्हेन वी से द स्पोकन वर्ड्स, एक्चुअल स्पोकन वर्ड्स ऑफ अ पर्सन, वी यूज कोटेशन. द फर्स्ट लेटर विद इन कोट शुड बी a capital letter. Usually a comma separates the spoken words with the quotes and the rest of the sentences. You can understand when you see the pics and when you read the sentences from your book. Nikhil said, who took my eraser? So this is Nikhil ने क्या कहा है, actual words. कॉमा लगा के आप उसको शो कीजिए, and this is a sentence of question. So put question mark in the एंड. हम किसी टाइटल के स्टोरीज का नेम, ये सब भी हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में शो करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस एक्सरसाइजेस. यू हैव टू पुट कॉमास एंड कोटेशन मार्क टू द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस दैट यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू वीडियो, कि वेयर आई पुट द कॉमास, दैट विल बी क्लियर टू यू थ्रू पिक्स. सो यू सी द पिक्स and read the sentences and do the exercises. Now, punctuate and rewrite the following sentences using capital letters everywhere. See, in the end you are putting marks, but in the starting, the first word should be, alphabet should be capital. Never start a sentence with small alphabet. See, this is a very long sentence. Oh, how boring a day it is. Hope I will get something interesting to read in this thought Sunny as he picked up a magazine. See, I read this sentence. It was without commas, without sign, without capital letters. So, it was looking very boring sentence. Now, after punctuation, there is a break and expressions also. Oh, so put an exclamation. Oh, how boring a day it is! Exclamation. I will get something interesting to read in this, comma, thought Sunny as he picked up a magazine. So sentence is broken into parts and it is explained through expressions also. He read R.K. Narayan's short story और उसमें स्टोरी का नाम inverted commas में. So in this way you will come to know through the pics. Later he called up Neha and asked, what he asked to Neha. So put commas. May I please borrow your copy of the novel Swami and Friend. Novel का name है Swami and Friend, तो inverted commas, written by R.K. Narayan. So R.K. Narayan भी author का name है, तो it should be in capital. Starting should be capital. Full of, and this is a question कि may I है, तो it is a question mark sentence. Now Neha replied. In the fourth sentence, Neha replied. So what is the actual word of Neha? That will come in inverted commas. Neha replied, inverted commas, yes Sunny, you can take it. Comma, उसमें sentence को break कर दो. Whenever you want. Now this is simple sentence, nothing starting in full stop. Sunny borrowed the novel from Neha. All the proper nouns should be in capital. चाहे वो between में भी आए, सेंटेंस के between में नेहा आ रहा है तो भी and should be capital. ठीक है, proper noun should be in capital alphabet. He enjoyed reading it and returned it to her. फिर नेहा asked him. अब नेहा ने से फिर से बात की है, तो that is in actual words. Did you like the novel? Again, it is a question, inverted commas and question mark. Sunny said, I loved it. Okay. So when you show the actual words spoken by somebody, it will come in inverted commas. So punctuation you can see on and clear by your pictures and when you write the sentences on your own. So I hope after watching the video, you can be able to solve the book exercises. I am sending pics to you and clear your doubts, and good day. Have a nice day. Bye.